Guys, we were driving from Chalsa to Lataguri through NH31B, and in between we are passing through Gorumara National Park. And just look at the scene, what is happening here. It was amazing. Just the white car cross the area and then see what happened. Just look at this. A young elephant is crossing the road and we are just stuck. I stopped there and wait for a moment. After some time I realized that there maybe some other elephants are also there, so I tried to go back little behind, but we were safe. No other elephants were there. So that is how we experienced.